Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to create a picot stitch that is going to be used for your detailings. It's very easy. You just single crochet, chain 3 and then slip stitch back into the single crochet. Right, there are several ways that you can do the picot stitch, but that is the method that I use. I will now show you how to make it. First, single crochet into the stitch and then we chain 3. Insert your hook back into this single crochet that you just made and then make a slip stitch. That's it. Right, let's try that again. Single crochet into the stitch, chain 3, insert your hook back into the single crochet you just made and slip stitch. Right, one more time. Single crochet, chain 3, slip stitch into the single crochet you just made.